CCTV, closed-circuit television, systems for security and surveillance. Welcome to our CCTV systems training. By the end of this training, you will understand the components and functionality of CCTV systems. Recognize the various applications of CCTV in different environments. Learn how CCTV can aid in crime prevention and evidence gathering. Explore remote access features and their benefits for monitoring. Here are the key aspects of CCTV systems and their uses. Different types of CCTV cameras serve unique purposes. Types of cameras. Learn about specifications and features of various CCTV cameras. Action. Understand how to choose the right camera for your needs. Storage options are crucial for managing recorded footage. Storage solutions. Explore DVRs and NVRs for effective footage storage. Action. Select appropriate storage based on your system's requirements. Real-time monitoring enhances situational awareness. Monitoring capabilities. Understand real-time monitoring for enhanced security. Action. Utilize monitoring tools to ensure safety and efficiency. Understanding legal implications is essential for responsible use. Legal considerations. Learn about regulations regarding surveillance footage. Action. Ensure compliance with legal standards in your area. Now let's see how this knowledge applies in real-world scenarios. In a retail store, CCTV footage shows a potential shoplifter. What should you do next? Pause and evaluate. Is the CCTV footage clear and relevant? Your action should be: review footage for any suspicious activity. Pause and assess. Is the area being monitored effectively? If the answer is no, adjust camera angles to cover blind spots. Now let's recap on what you learned and what you need to remember. CCTV systems are vital for public safety. They serve multiple functions beyond recording. Legal knowledge is key when using surveillance. Remote access enhances monitoring capabilities. Please consider implementing a CCTV system to enhance your security measures. Thank you for participating in our CCTV systems training.